Hi, it's 12. This is my rib, guys. Like, my ribs are so annoying. I woke up at exactly 10:30 on the dot. Like, I fell asleep last night watching videos. Like, my laptop was open right here, like this, next to me, and I was sleeping. But I woke up at 10:30 and opened my laptop, watched a video, brushed my teeth, came back, laid down, and now I'm watching a pastry chef attempts to make gourmet Snickers. I love these episodes. She's also done Skittles, Kit Kats. She's done so many things, and they're all really interesting, and I love them. I don't care. I woke up like hungry. Like, I went out there to go find food, but literally nothing sounds good, and I woke up with my eyes watering. I also didn't wash my face last night, if you couldn't tell, but I also woke up feeling kind of like congested. Is that, I don't know if that's the word, but like, and my throat hurts a little bit, and for some reason my bottom teeth hurt, like they're aching. I don't know why that's a thing, but it's a thing and it's happening. Yeah, like I could just feel, like, you know, like back here it feels stuff, like my nose, well, my nostrils my nose doesn't feel stuffed, but like I can feel something going on back there, like, you know, when you're getting sick. Well, that's what's happening. And I also feel like in the back of my throat. I don't know, the camera's dying, like always. I charged the batteries. I'm just kind of lazy to go get them right now, so see you guys when I'm ready enough to go get batteries. This person's intro is probably the best thing ever. Their channel's called The Shade, but I found X's song from this intro. So I'm watching Nailed It Holiday on my laptop, and me and Puma are gonna fold these clothes that you don't need to see all of them. But she's going to the bathroom and I'm hungry. I ate 2 pieces of fudge, so did she. That fudge is lasting a long time, but I think it's gonna be gone by the end of today. I'm here and I'm present. I just ran across the whole house to get the camera. I am starting The Good Doctor. This is what I'm doing with my winter break. I am excited. This is what I'm gonna do. I just opened Hulu. I just added it to my stuff. And that's where we're at. So yeah, Norman from Bates Motel, amazing, and I love him. YouTube is boring right now, so I'm doing it, and I'm excited. And I'll update you guys in probably 4 hours when I've done nothing. But I'm already dead. I'm only 3 minutes and 51 seconds in, and I'm already like, he just acts so well, and like, he's like, you're doing it wrong. But anyways, my mom brought me this, so I'm gonna eat this and watch it, and that's where I'm at right now.
Get credit. They don't have to just go work.
Okay, I'm on season 1, episode 2. Obviously I'm on season 1. I'm on episode 2. It just ended, and Melendez is just a douche to Sean for no reason. Just because he's different doesn't mean you have to treat him any differently. Just because he has autism and he's on your team doesn't mean you have to give him all the scut work. He's still worthy, clearly, of doing surgery. He was right in 2 situations, which I predict he's going to be right in many situations. But I just think that just because he's different doesn't mean you have to treat anyone differently. I haven't worked out since the 12th. The 12th. It's the 12th. It's the 21st, so that's almost 10 days. 9 days. I haven't worked out in 9 days. So we're half dead. I'm wondering why. And what is it, Pat? We haven't drank coffee today.
I don't know where they went. I know nothing.
I look
Just
like
whatever.
my name is Sally and I'm 95.
Coffee.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna make coffee. I'm gonna show you guys me making coffee and expose myself again.
Oh God, they're already laughing at us. I picked 2 little kernels of crab. So delicious.
Woo! That water's good. These are small spoons, so I'm gonna do like extra, you know? Oops. I've been watching The Good Doctor for 3 hours. the best coffee I've made this week. This is my outfit. This is a good song. It's a Void by Lil Peep that my sister gave me. Star Wars with Converse, blue crop sweater from Target, and crop top with like the scoop neck type thing.
She got potatoes. Potatoes.
Hey!
You're like, I wasn't using that or anything. Oh god.
Ew, get your nose off of it.
Tongue is winning.
My mom doesn't like this song.
No, I just don't. What the hell is it?
Mood. Cool foot. Come here.
This lighting is life.
Is that racist?
Ding 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 ding. Feliz? No, because we can. Burrito. Ay ay ay. Wow, that was quick.
And I'm kind of excited. Careful, babies. It's huge. He's a zombie.
Oh.
So my mom bought me this at Winco. I'm gonna get a better one later on, but like this one's just, you know, you gotta start somewhere. Emma Chamberlain's video on how to make this. I don't like, I like Emma Chamberlain, but I'm not like about her. But anyways, so I'm doing her coffee recipe, and it's currently 12:39 in the morning. But I'm gonna make it for tomorrow. There's MasterChef on in the background. But anyways, so yeah, this is a coffee press, and I've been wanting one for months. And so I saw one, and it was in red, and my mom was like, if they don't have it in black, you can't get it. So I found it in black, and I got it. This is like an early Christmas gift for me. And then we have these ground coffee. We used to have coffee beans, but like we threw them away because we didn't use them. But like, I'm gonna buy some later on, probably tomorrow when we go to Costco or something. I'm wearing pizza pants. Okay, so I'm just gonna, this smells really bad. Okay, I'm gonna heat some coffee.
Okay. You have my kid and that right there.
You like bread? I really do.
Second, Hamachi is to be treated exactly like flowers and art. It's disappointing.
Me, my mom has made an appearance. See, we need one of those things.
Where's it? Kettle?
Yeah.
Remember it was $30?
Oh, I spilled it on my hand.
What a dumbass.
You wait for 30 seconds. I don't know why, but you do.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay. I hate when they do that.
Oh my lord, it's perfect.
You're like, was that necessary?
Watching this disaster.
Watch it like taste like complete arse. I'm gonna be so upset.
Who cares? What if it's like strong?
I mean, I like my coffee strong, we all know that.
Ingredients. And unfortunately,
That's what she said to do. Oh my god. We have to watch Twilight now.
You won't.
Say it won't.
You
Say
won't.
it won't.
You won't.
You won't. No. Yes. I'm gonna put it on.
She's putting it on.
I'm putting Twilight on. Puma's reading the Twilight series.
I don't understand.
Said to wait.
No, I don't understand what this contraption does. I need to watch like a scientific video on it.
Putting that on my playlist. Alright, are we ready? I'm kind of scared. Is it hard? Yeah. Yeah. Shouldn't. I don't think I'm supposed to do that.
Sorry. Basically,
This might not be amazing because this coffee kind of half blows.
Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna get some coffee beans.
We could get, no, we could just buy better,
Right. Or
like Folgers.
Yeah.
The big one? It's good.
I'm really doing this. That's how extra. Yeah. Where's the rest of them?
In there, all the way to the back.
Now I'm going. This literally is the color of my shirt. Like, where did it go? Anyways, I'm probably.
Your coffee's black. What I like that it's black.
Yeah, I know. This was literally the black one. Like
She
black
showed
one.
up with the red one and said, "Can I have this?" I said, "No, you could only have it in black."
Yeah, I told them.
Like it was
And
all
we
the way in the back. And I was
literally
like,
moved the stuff.
yeah, I
like,
stuck
"Get
my
it."
arm in there and I was like,
What other
like,
colors
okay,
are there?
Just black and red.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Had there been like, no,
Like,
no.
red kind of looks good, but like.
But it doesn't match our lives. Whatchamacallit? We bought almond milk, one, because I put it in our coffee, like regular coffee, and two, I only really like almond milk, because that's who I am. Okay, so right now I'm putting on Twilight, the first one, of course. I'm drinking cold water because, you know, I'm sick, and that's what you do when you're sick, you drink cold water. No, don't do that. Excuse you, mister. You. I'm not going to show you guys the presents because sometimes my little sisters watch my vlogs. But I'm watching Twilight. I took off my face mask a while ago. My dad came home with presents for the babies. So me and Puma are wrapping them right now, you know, like the professionals we are. You know, right now she thinks she likes Jacob, but in reality she's gonna spend literally the rest of her life with Edward, you know? If you haven't watched that, I highly recommend that you watch Twilight, because like, I mean, I'm pretty sure like it's almost
old,
yeah.
but like, why
So
haven't
the
you watched
first
it?
one is in 2009, not 2015. Don't click on that one. Puma got this car, and she's really excited for it. She really wants this type of car. Look, my car. Oh, okay. You know what? That actually kind of. Okay. I did good on this. Where did it go?
I mean, like you tried.
Oh, I left it on the counter, but I did good on. I just good on small packages. And this has like a huge ball in it.
Tiny.
So it looks kind of crappy. This looks like. Mommy. This ball is making my wrapping look like crap. Can I wrap your car and then you can unwrap it?
Yeah, please. No, that's beautiful.
This is what we do at 2 in the morning.
Oh my god, it's gonna be tape all over.
Oh my god, it's everything you ever wanted. I knew it.
Yeah, I already knew this present. I'm in my Totoro PJs.